Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Jaguar E Pace bonnet. Locate the interior release lever on the driver's side kick panel and pull it firmly to release the primary catch. Reach under the slightly raised bonnet to find the secondary safety catch, push or lift it while raising the bonnet. Secure the bonnet with the prop or hydraulic struts and never place hands near moving components while closing the hood. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and scanning the left kick panel for a small lever marked for the bonnet. Pull that lever firmly until you hear a distinct click and the bonnet pops up slightly, indicating the primary latch released. If nothing happens, inspect the lever area for items blocking movement and do not yank aggressively. A gentle repeat pull often works if the mechanism is stiff from disuse or cold. After the bonnet has popped, approach the front of the vehicle and slide your fingers under the center edge to locate the secondary safety latch. Often you push the catch to one side or lift it up while using your other hand to raise the bonnet fully. Make sure the bonnet is supported by the prop rod or that hydraulic struts are holding it steady before placing tools or hands beneath the hood to avoid accidents or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.